Or this Asing, you are now watching Asing Excel TV. Today we would like to share how to create an input box with restrictions. To do so, let's go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. Let's insert a module. As usual, always start by giving a name. Press Enter and we should write the code within this procedure. We need a dummy to record the entry provided by the user via the input box. We may use any letter or any word as long as they are not reserved. Bracket, type the description or the message in terms of string, which means that we need quotation marks. For example, we need the name, and this name must be in terms of capital letters and with quotation mark and close bracket. Press Enter, and now we need the second dummy in order to compare the entry with the pattern that we are looking for. To compare, we have to call the dummy A. I'm going to use the operator like to compare the pattern that we need, always in terms of string, so we need quotation marks. To type the pattern, always start with square bracket. Since we need only capital letters, so we should start from capital A until capital Z. If we allow spaces as well, type a space and with square bracket and quotation mark. One issue we might be facing if we type the pattern in this way, that is, this pattern for every set of square bracket, it accepts only a single character. However, we couldn't know how many characters the user provides. To ensure that this is not happening in front of the pattern, we should start with an asterisk, also at the end, and with an asterisk as well. Next, we may consider to prompt out a message box to reject the wrong entry. To do so, I'm going to use the if function. Use the dummy B as indicator. Since B provides Boolean response, which means that we should reject when it is false, means that after this pattern, then we should prompt out a message box. Type the description or the message in terms of string, so we need quotation marks. Since we rejected the entry, we may consider to ask the user to re-enter again. So I'm going to use the go to function and go to line 1. Let's label this line as 1. Since we start with if, of course we need to end with if. And now let's see the result. Click on Run. Let's say we input small letters. Click on OK. As we can see, Excel accepted the entry. This is because the name that I typed just now includes a space, and this pattern allows any character in front or behind the character. As long as with any of the character in this given pattern, Excel will definitely accept it. Therefore, to avoid this from happening, instead of providing the pattern that we want, why not we take the contrast, which means that we take the other way around. That is, other than we reject those that is not this way. So we should have not in front. Not and not should become true. Let's run again. Let's try small letters. Although we have space, when we click on OK, rejected as we can see here. However, let's say we have capital letter. In between the capital letters, we use a number. Click on OK, will still be rejected. However, let's say we use any special characters. Click on OK, will still be rejected. And this time, let's try a proper name without any special characters, without any numbers, but only the capital letters and the space. Click on OK, accepted. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.